Hello there, I'm Dr. Nazanin Moali, clinical psychologist and host of Sexology Podcast. Today, we're unlocking some communication treasure chests, tackling some of the challenges that people have and some of the hacks that they can use to improve their communication and become communication king in no time. Let's talk about the first hack. You have heard about the compliment sandwich, that you heard that if you want to give a feedback to someone, you want to say something positive at the beginning and something positive at the end and talk about your challenge in the in between. That can work. I think that's really good to help your partner to feel better. Maybe you can communicate in more relaxed way when they are more open to hear what you have to say. Sometimes when we're just starting with the negative feedback, our partner can get defensive. Trust me, this sandwich is more effective than you think. The second hack is active listening mode. It's really important to practice active listening. That's something that's not everyone, they learn about it in their childhood. What active listening is that you're really present when your partner is communicating with you. Trust me, your partner can see if you're distracted, you are thinking about work, but if you are truly present and making eye contact with them and rephrasing what they said, that can really improve your communication. The next one is the I statement. Use more I statement than you. It makes conversation less accusatory. Instead of you never do this, you can say, I feel distance when I notice that you don't make this a priority. The next one is scheduling intimacy chats. Pick a time that works for both of you to discuss intimacy with no distraction. This creates a safe space and show you value the conversation. It's just not about doing an act. It's about you want to be connected with your partner. That is really important. Next one is express desires creatively. Write a letter, send a song, or share a poem. Using creative outlet can make expressing desires fun and profound. You can perhaps even ask someone to write those poems. You can hire people online, but when you make an effort, it can create positive experience in the relationship. Make art your ally. The next hack is reflect feeling. Try mirroring your partner's sentiment. If they say, I feel neglected, respond with, I hear that you're saying that you're neglected. And you can highlight the underlying emotions. Validation is vital. Even if you don't agree with your partner, it's important to validate their emotion. Validation is not agreeing with the partner. The other hack is educate together. Dive into books, workshop, podcasts on intimacy in Sexology Podcast. Every week we talk about something new about science of sex and pleasure, and maybe you guys can listen separately and talk about what do you think about the strategies. And the last one is to kind of make sure that you have your partner's back throughout the life. Many people come to me and they think that their partner has low desire. But when we chat, we notice that one of the partner felt that the other one didn't have their back when they were struggling. Maybe there was a loss in the family, or they got fired at work and they felt that the partner didn't really show up for them. And that creates resentment, in turn lead people to not want to be intimate with you. So it's really important to practice the skills. You get much better with practice. Until next time, please make sure you are subscribing to our channel and leave a comment about what's your favorite hack.